Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on one of the most important things that I think I'm aware of as I'm making these videos here. I'm realizing that there's a very important skill we need to know. We need to know how to learn. We need to be able to learn fast because honestly, uh, all these things that, all these videos that we have to make, well, I know some of them, I mean, a little bit kind of, but a lot of these things that I need to be making, I don't know anything about too much. So I'm literally going to have to learn it myself. And, well, hey, so we have to figure out how to learn. And we're going to actually learn how to learn. So one of the things, I went through the keyword rankings again, and I found these keywords here, which are pretty related to what we're talking about here. Things to learn, best trades to learn a trade, learning to learn, how to learn faster, learn how to learn. So we're going to be taking a look at how to learn faster, and at the same time, what should we learn? Because remember, all these videos that we're going to be making, all these different niches, all these interests that we have, these are the things we need to learn. So I'm thinking right now that I actually want to learn a little bit about math. So, because I've noticed that there's a lot of search results, a lot of people asking these questions, looking for the answer. And, well, if I knew how to teach them, then I'd be able to help them. And that would be a great video, wouldn't it? So, the thing is, I don't know anything about math. And heck, I was even gonna make a video right now about like this video game that I'm playing, right? But of course, I looked through the keywords of that video game, and it's like, well, yeah, I mean, I don't know any of this stuff, so learning how to learn is gonna be the number one, like, priority key. If we really want to be successful at this, we need to be able to learn something fast, right? So, the two steps are going to be learn fast and teach well, because those two things are going to help us make higher quality videos. Uh, Learn fast. So here's what we need to do. We need to read stuff. We need to watch examples. We need to experience. We need to practice. And then we need to teach. So that's how you learn fast. Oh yeah, and one more thing. You got to take notes. So take here. Notes is going to be the first thing. First of all, you got to take notes. Then you got to read. You got to watch. You got to experience. You got to practice. And you need to teach. And when it comes time to teaching, well, basically, you got to brainstorm, or rather plan. Okay, plan, and then you need to basically write the outlines, and then you need to record the videos, and you might have to do demonstrations. So demonstrations, you might have to do, Q&A, so you might have to do examples. So there's a lot of different types of things you can do for teaching. And yeah, so just kind of think here. Is there anything that I missed? I'm just going to kind of think about it for a moment. There's two other things about teaching well I kind of think of. The first thing is the beliefs, and that's basically going to be like helping people believe in themselves. So those are going to be pretty important, as well as the mistakes that people might be making here. So yeah, we're gonna have to come back and maybe update this a little bit later so we improve that. But for now, we're just thinking about learning fast. So we want to be taking notes, reading, watching, experiencing something, practicing something, and teaching it. That's gonna be sort of what we want to do, the steps right there. And as far as the things to learn, honestly, you can learn anything you want, really. You just have to make sure that their keywords are pretty well researched. So, you don't want to be learning stuff that nobody cares about, um, or that has way too much competition. Try to go for things that has low competition, and that way you can learn it and then learn quickly. So you follow this. Take notes, read, watch, experience, practice, and teach. The notes, this is the notes. So I'm actually walking through the process of teaching and learning.